So turning on the tablet, so this tablet has a front cam, and so it's a Huawei tablet. So it's really legit because there's a MAC address number. I already have a setup for this tablet, so it has already had a pin. So first let's enter the pin. So as you can see, I already downloaded Facebook, Messenger, YouTube. So one of the issues of Huawei tablet is that you cannot download Google apps, but then thankfully I'm thankful for the third-party apps. We have Facebook here, Messenger, YouTube. So I can also download some Google apps like the Candy Crush Saga and Spotify. So you can also browse here in the Huawei app gallery for more apps. For the camera, so the UI is very nice. It's very user friendly. So you have here the tools, the Huawei apps, the social, the business, lifestyle, entertainment, the top apps. Then for the camera, it's a nice quality. There also have the front cam. Yeah, we have also video, beauty, more. Here I have more. Pro Panorama and HDR. Then for music, it's also loud and clear. Yeah. So for the yeah, I guess that's all for the tablet. And also you can have the battery about the tablet. So it has this device name, the model, the build number, version. So it has a 4 gig RAM, 64 gig internal storage with a resolution of 1280 by 800. And as you take a look at the security patch level, it's last year October 2021, so it's really legit and valid. So you have here our IP address, our MAC address. You also have the serial number, which also it's a valid tablet from Shopee. So I got this tablet from Shopee Mall, from the official Huawei official store in Shopee Mall. So I will put it in the description below. So for the system update, so before you open this Huawei tablet, you have to update first the system. Then as you can see in here, lastly, what's good with this tablet is that the power. So the power consumption is it's very nice because it will not consume very much power. I used this 8 a.m. then I'm still using right now, and still in 68%, so it's good. So that's it. Yay. So this is only for 8,570. So I bought this during February 1. I think it's a summer, it's a flash sale.